Hey, it's Patrick here from the GarageBandGuide.com. Musical typing is a quick and convenient way to bash out some notes, melodies, or drum beats from GarageBand's massive software instrument library using your Mac's keyboard. But did you know you can assign loops and sounds to its keys as well? In this quick tip, I'll show you how. Okay, with GarageBand for Mac open, you'll want to open a new software instrument track. To bring up musical typing, either select Show Musical Typing from the window menu in your toolbar, or use the keyboard shortcut Command and K. Next, open the library pane by clicking the library button in the top left, selecting Show Library from the View tab in the toolbar, or hitting the shortcut key Y. Now, from the library menu, navigate to Legacy, then GarageBand, then Sound Effects, and then just pick any of the options you want. It really doesn't matter here. I'll go for applause and laughter, because why not? If you don't have the Legacy option available in the library pane in your version of GarageBand, open the GarageBand menu in the toolbar, hover over Sound Library and click on Download All Available Sounds. Now be warned, this can be a pretty sizable download depending on how much of this stuff you already have installed, so be aware that you may have to sit about and wait a while. On the musical typing keys, you'll notice these wee icons have appeared. If I expand this Details menu, there's a list of what sound effect loops are attached to each key. If I adjust the octave range, you can see these keys are marked as empty. From here, I can open GarageBand's loop browser, find a loop I want to assign to a particular musical typing key, and then just drag and drop it in there.
Out of sight, out of sight, out of sight, out of sight.
That loop will now play back when I hit the key that it's assigned to.
Out of sight.
And that is how you turn GarageBand's musical typing feature into a down and dirty makeshift sampler. That'll about do it for this quick tip. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com. Bye for now.